Now let's quickly look at the other available view modes. So again, make sure you are on default and then scroll all the way down and click on custom display settings. And let's look at search index and search result highlighting import. I love this long name. Well, actually, I don't like it, but it is great that it's such a long name for a view mode. Let's start off with this search result view mode. Now, this allows you to control which fields will be returned in the search results. So to demonstrate how this works, click on configuration and then scroll all the way down and then click on search pages. And then you can see that nothing is actually indexed. So if we were to search for something, nothing will return, because here you can see that 0% of the site has been indexed. So click on cron maintenance task and then run cron. And then if we go back and then refresh, you can see 100% has been indexed. Great. So now if we search for WordPress, because I know that's used on a tag, you can see that the actual tag is getting returned, which is great. But let's now remove this tags field from the results. Now, to do that, just go back to Manage Display, enable search result highlighting input, and then go to that view mode and simply disable tags. And then if we refresh, and here you can see that the article still returns because the keyword WordPress is still in the index, but the actual word isn't returned in these results because we have removed the field from the view mode. But let's go one step further and let's remove tags from the search index view mode so that tags never actually get indexed. To do that, go to Manage Display and then go back to default, scroll all the way down and then enable search index, and then click on search index and then simply disable the tags field. And now what you need to do is you do need to re-index the site. So this is very important. If you are going to change anything in this search index, you have to re-index the site. So click on re-index site and then just run cron. And then if we refresh this page, we won't get any results at all because the keyword WordPress isn't even in the index because we have removed the field tags, which has that keyword in it. So if you want to control what's returned in the results, use the search result highlighting import view mode. If you want to control what actually gets indexed by Drupal, well then use the search index view mode. Now, just a bit of a heads up with the core search module. It is a great module for basic search pages, but if you want absolute control over your search pages, as well as using other backends such as Solr or Elasticsearch, then I would highly recommend that you use Search API. And we will cover how to use Search API in another training module.